Hi student, welcome in our today's session. Last time we start the probability distribution of a discrete random variable. So let us continue this random variable. In that lecture, we start to solve our exercise number, second exercise, that is 8.2. Now see the next exercise, next question in our exercise, question number 4. In last lecture we see the question 1, 2 and 3. Now see the next question, question number 4. Find k if the following function represents the PDF of a random variable x. That means the given function is represents PDF, then find the unknown value. So first question is here. Question 4, first question here we have given f of x is equal to kx. For x is 0, less than x, less than 2 and is equal to 0 otherwise. We have to find the value of k if the given function is a PDF. Also we have to find the probability in between 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 upon 2. So let us see here, we have given that the given function is a PDF. Last time we see what is PDF. If in an interval the limit of integration from minus infinity to infinity function is equal to 1, hence given function is PDF. So right, given function is a PDF. Is a PDF when integration minus infinity to f of x dx is equal to 1. That means दिलेल्या इंटरवल वरती जर फंक्शनचं लिमिट हे 1 येत असेल then the function has a PDF. So first find the integration on 0 to 2 f of x dx. It is 1. So what is function? We have given the function has a PDF, so write 1. If we have to show it has a PDF, then we have to prove this limit is 1. Function is what? Kx dx is equal to 1. K is constant. Integration of x is x square upon 2. Limit 0 to 2 is equal to 1. K upon 2. Here it is. Given function has a PDF. Limit is 0 to 2. Since it is k into 2, k by 2, that is k is equal to, that is 2k is equal to see here it is k into x square upon 2. Here what is function we have given, that is kx square upon 2. Therefore k by 2 into, if we take the limit, then we can write here k into 2 square is 4. 4 upon 2 is equal to 1. That is 2k is equal to 1. Therefore k is equal to 1 upon 2. If given function has a PDF, then take limit is 1, then find value of k. Now here we have to find the probability. P of 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 by 2 is equal to integration 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 f of x dx. 1/2 1 by 4. What is function? Kx dx. What is value of k? That is 1/2, which is constant. Integration of x is x square upon 2 and limit 1 by 4 1 by 2. Upper limit is half. If this half is constant, if we take instead of x, upper limit is 1/2. 1/2 square is 1 by 4 upon 2 as it is. If we take square with 1 upon 16 divided by 2 as it is. 1/2 into 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 32. So here we multiply and divide by 4, then 4 minus 1, that is 3 upon 32. Hence it is 3 upon 32 into 2, that is 64. For probability 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 upon 2, 3 upon 64. So there is also second sub question which is again same as this question. So you should try to solve this question. Now see the next question, question number 5. Let x be the amount of time for which book is taken out of library randomly, and suppose x has a PDF. What is given here? F of x is equal to 0.5x for 0 to x lies between 0 to 2. Calculate p of x less than equal to 1. Calculate p of x less than equal to 1. Second question, in example 4, you should try to solve, which is again same as question number first. Question 5, first question, p of x is less than 1. What is function here? F of x is equal to 0.5x for 0 less than x less than equal to 2 and is equal to 0 otherwise. That means here we have to find first probability of x less than equal to 1. x less than equal to 1 म्हणजे x कसा असला पाहिजे 1 पेक्षा लहान म्हणजे 1 ही त्या ठिकाणी तुमची सगळ्यात मोठी व्हॅल्यू असेल. लेट अस इंटिग्रेशन. सो व्हॉट इज लोअर लिमिट? दॅट इज 0 to 1 f of x dx. Write 0 to 1 as it is. What is function? 0.5x dx. 0.5 as it is. What is integration? x square upon 2. Limit is 0 to 1. That is 0.5. 1 square is 1. That is 1 upon 2. Hence it is again 0.5. Therefore 0.5 into 0.5. Here it is 1 square 1/2 into here it is square 1/2 square. 0.5 is 1/2 and this is again 1/2. Hence it is 1 upon 4 and p of x less than equal to 1. Second question is here. What is the probability in between 0.5 to 1.5? Probability in between 0.5 to 1.5, which is equal to 0.5 1.5 f of x dx. 0.5 1.5 as it is. What is function? That is 0.5x dx. 0.5 as it is. Integration x square upon 2. Limit 0.5 to 1.5. This 0.5 constant, or instead of this write 1/2. X square, that means 1.5 square. 15 square is 2.25. Divided by 2 minus 0 square, that is 2.5 into 0.5, that is 25. Hence it is 0.25 upon 2. 1/2 into 2.25 minus 0.25. If we simplify this, then we will get 2 upon 2, which is equal to 2 by 4. Hence it is 1 upon 2. That is probability in between 0.5 to 1.5. 2.25 minus 0.5 is 2. 2 upon 2, that is 1. Next, third question. Probability of x greater than equal to 1.5. 1.5 पेक्षा मोठे असला पाहिजे. पण कुठपर्यंत असला पाहिजे? तुमचं मोठा सगळ्यात रेंज काय दिली? 0 to 2. पण x 1.5 पेक्षा मोठा आहे. पण शेवटचं लोअर लिमिट अपर लिमिट काय असणार आहे? तर तो 2 असेल. x ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू 1.5. Third, p of x greater than 1.5. That means 1.5 पेक्षा मोठा म्हणजे हा लोअर लिमिट झाला. अपर लिमिट 2. 0.5 x dx. 0.5 constant. Limit x square upon 2. 1.5 to 2. 1.5 means 0.5. Again we take square. 2 square, that is 4 upon 2 minus 1 square, that is 2.25 upon 2. 1/2 into 4 minus 2.25, that is 1.75. Divided by 2, that means 1.75 upon 4 for probability of x greater than 1.5. Next, see the next question. If we simplify this, then we will get 7 upon 60. Suppose x is the waiting time in minutes for a bus and it has a PDF given by. Find the probability that a waiting time is between 1 and 3 minutes. Is between 1 and 3. Question 6. What is function here? 1 by 5 or 0 less than x less than 5 and is equal to 0 otherwise. Find probability between waiting time is in between 1 and 3 minutes. Waiting time means which is x here. That means x is lies between 1 to 3. Probability that waiting time in between 1 to 3 minutes x less than 3 is equal to 1 to 3 f of x dx. What is function? 1 by 5 dx. 1 by 5 is constant and integration of dx is x. Limit 1 to 3. First put upper limit. 3 minus lower limit 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 5. Therefore, the probability of waiting time is between 1 and 3 is 2 upon 5. Next question is here. Waiting time is more than 4 minutes. म्हणजे waiting time हा कसा आहे 4 minutes पेक्षा जास्त आहे पण तो कमीत कमी किती आहे? Which is lies between 0 to 5 minutes. So, probability that waiting time is more than 4 minutes. Waiting time is more than 4 minutes. That means p of x greater than 4. X means what? Waiting time. तो 4 पेक्षा मोठा आहे. So 4 आणि जास्त किती असणार आहे तो? 1 by 5 dx, which is constant. Integration of dx is x and limit is 4 to 5. So first 1 by 5 as it is. Upper limit is 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 5. Hence the probability that the waiting time is between is more than 4 minutes, that is 1 upon 5. Now see the next question. So you should try to solve our next questions at your home.